Thank you so much for joining me here. The nights are getting so much cooler here, and so I decided to just cut some flowers today and bring them in before the first snowstorm. I'm close to a Peruvian family who lives in Colorado, and about 3, 4 years ago, they invited me to the most delicious meal. I'll share more on that in a few. I'm saving just a little bit of the black mint to collect some seeds a little bit later and to dry some for tea. And now that I'm finished pulling some peppers to make chili powder, it's time to pull some Victoria rhubarb. I'll make use of these rhubarb stalks to make a couple of treats in the upcoming segments. So now back to that meal I shared with you a few moments ago. As I said, it was probably one of the most delicious meals that I've had in a while. And I asked my friend's mom, I said, what did you put? What's that special spice? That's that special flavor. And she shared with me that it was, I'm going to try to pronounce this, huacate or black mint. So I decided to grow some this year and make my own paste to hopefully replicate that meal in the winter months. If you've come this far with me on this vlog, you probably noticed that I saved some of the stalks for this mint. I did so because I'm going to be making tisane tea with the stalks because black mint is known for a load of wonderful benefits. It's a stress and anxiety relief. It helps with oral health, and some also say that it helps with weight management. With the use of any herbal remedies, it is important to check with your general practitioner, your medical advisor before any use. Now, yay, it's time to freeze these for about 90 minutes or so. And these will keep their freshness, their potency, I would say anywhere from about 4 to 6 months in the freezer. And right about now, I'm pretty famished, so I'm now starting the process to make some rhubarb salsa, which is probably one of my most favorites. So I'm adding some cilantro, some pepper I just picked, of course, some red onions, lime juice, and of course, some seasoning, and most importantly, the rhubarb. So this week, just thought I'd share this excitement with you. It was just such a great experience. So a lady from church um, invited me and a few other women to her home for refreshments and treats to sing old hymns. And we had this most wonderful lady who was a choir director for about 30 years, and she played the piano so beautifully, and we sung about, I would say, 25 old hymns to include this old rugged cross. And I left there with balm on my soul because it's just something you don't hear in many churches anymore. So just thought I'd share that little bit of one of my experiences with you this week. I also added a bit of agave to this salsa, bit of sweetness. I always keep corn tortillas in my home for this very reason, but for others as well. As you can probably tell by now, I use every bit of my harvest to create lovely and healthy treats, meals, refreshing drinks. This is quite yummy. It's refreshing. It's got all these different flavors coming out. If if you're interested, I'll place the recipe on my website as well as on my Pinterest board called Everyday Recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon.